Yeah. Go ahead and cue the special effects. Man, I love this rap game, mainly cause it's cool to add a little spice to the life you've been through. Everyone exaggerates a tiny little bit, make that shit sound more gangster than it really is. You can't appear weak, man, we wanna hear streets, wanna hear you switch your dog over this here beat. Don't take it as sarcastic, I can't get enough, I'm telling you, you can call my bluff. If it's not rough, I really don't need it, I'm not even ashamed. I got too much reality that's filling up my brain. Sell me on that product, I'm addicted to the game. Suck it up like a cigarette, light it up. It's just like a cigarette, something that I do once in a while, look between me and you. It's just like a cigarette, nobody's really a fool. I don't want the truth, I wanna feel fucking cool. Let me tell you something that I realized tonight. My hip-hop radio's a Marlboro Light. They're both selling stories and they sound about the same. Cigarettes say the safe, rappers claim they we don't care if it's true when we laid the money down. We don't believe the words, we just love the way they sound. They're acting like we're idiots, they're lying to our face. Maybe we are idiots, we buy it anyway. I'm running out to get the next rapper CD, just sucking up the guns, drugs, and misogyny the same way that I suck up all the smoke when I breathe. That little bit of death, supposedly cancer-free, and everything they say's got the truth twisted up. And twisted up's what I want, man, I can't get enough. Cause even though we know it's all just a big bluff, we just light another up. What? We don't give a fuck.